Hi guys. So on yesterday, we introduced reading and writing decimal numbers, and today we're going to talk a little bit about reading and writing decimal numbers to the hundredths. So if you remember yesterday, we reviewed with the whole number decimal value chart, whole number place value chart, and then we created a new place value chart for decimals. So today I want to focus on reading and writing decimal numbers to the hundredths place. So if you remember on yesterday, if you remember that anything before the decimal is a whole number. So if you need to write that in your notes, I'm gonna make a little text box up here. Matter of fact, I'll make it down here. I'll put it down here somewhere so you can see it. If you need to put that in your notes to help you remember, you need to go ahead and do that. The digits before the decimal point is the whole number. Remember, that is the ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000, 100,000, million. So I only included the ones in this chart, and we'll eventually move our way up. So if you need to put that in your notes, go ahead and do that. You can pause the video if you need to. All right, so we're going to do some practice. So let's say I put 1. So this would be that number, 1.04. How would I read that number? Remember, that's a whole number. Remember, the digits before the decimal point is a whole number. So that's just 1. Where you see, let me make this font a little bigger because it's not big enough. All right, where you see the decimal point, that is still not big enough. Let's try it a little bigger. Yeah, that's better. All right, 1, where you see the decimal point, that's where you say and. So 1 and, I don't have anything in tenths place. So do I say 1 and 0 tenths and 4 hundredths? No. If there's nothing in the tenths place, then that is just 1 and 4 hundredths. All right, let's try another one. I should have separated this, but I didn't. Okay, we're going to. We'll do 2 more. What if I did, what would that be? There's nothing in the ones place. There's nothing in the tenths place. So that would just be 7 hundredths. But what if I put, what if I put that? Now, what if I put that? That would be 3. Remember, anything before the decimal point is a whole number, so that would be 3. And you could, this is tricky. You could say 3 and 2 tenths, or 3 and 20 hundredths. If you say either of those, they will be correct. And we'll talk a little more about in the upcoming weeks why both would be correct. So I'm going to move this up just a little so we can do one more example. But if you still need to write it, you can rewind the video to put it in your notebook. All right, let's do one more. Let's do, no, let's take that one off. Not put anything. What if this was your number? Sometimes you may have a zero in front and sometimes it doesn't, but it shouldn't matter to you. It'll still be the same. So we have 2/10 and 300. So that is just 20. So you wouldn't write 2/10 and 300. That wouldn't be correct. You would write 20 300. All right, guys, I hope that helped you. If you have any questions, you know that you can post your questions with the video in Canvas. All right, guys, happy mathing.